Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you what I got Alexa for her birthday. If you are new here, Alexa is she's about to be 17 years old. She's turning 17 this week. And actually this week she is away with our church youth group on a mission trip. So when she gets back, we will be all ready to celebrate her 17th birthday. And I'm going to show you what we purchased for her and some of the little decorative items too. So I'm going to start with this. I could only find the 7 and I'm hoping to find the 1, but whenever she comes home, I want to have these are from Dollar Tree. I want to have it blown up with the 1 and the 7 and have it somewhere kind of to greet her when she comes in the house, along with this, which says, let's party. And it's just like a sparkly white banner with the little iridescent glitter. And I also picked up this sign, and these 2 items were from Target. And this is just kind of like a hard sign that we can, use over for other years. But I thought it was pretty color. These bows, which I was going to attach to her gift, but they look kind of small, but we'll see. These, which I hauled a couple weeks ago, these are for on her birthday cake, along with this 1 and 7, because like I said, she's turning 17. So on to her gifts, which I managed to mostly fit into this bin, which isn't the cutest bin, but I did, I got it for $1 Dollar Tree, and it does the job. It holds everything in here. So, except for these things, which I haven't fit yet. So this is a little jar that I believe I got at Dollar Tree, but I thought it could hold any little trinkets on her desk. Very pretty. It's like a pearly pink. Then this I ordered off of Amazon because she was telling me how much she just loves the scent of eucalyptus. And so I found this eucalyptus mint body wash, and I thought she would like to try that. It wasn't too expensive. And this is just tissue paper, which I'm going to use somewhere here. So into her bin or basket, I picked up these little clips for her. Thought they were pretty. They were from Ross, and they were $3.99. Then I picked this up, which I originally had gotten for myself because she's very much into, like, she loves donuts and ballet. Like, those are her 2 things. And so they didn't have a donut one of this, but what it is a mirror. So it's a compact. It's like a brush and mirror combo, but it's really cute how it's like a cheeseburger. Donut microfiber pillowcase. It was at Walmart. I can't remember how much it was. I think it was $3.99. Then I picked these up. They're makeup, the beauty sponges, and you get 3 of them, different sizes, for $4. This was at Five Below. Book light. She likes to read a lot at night before bed, so it's just like a little book light. I picked that up at Dollar Tree. Also from Dollar Tree, this, which just is hilarious and also looks kind of good. It is marshmallow unicorn poop. I thought she would get a kick out of that. Then also from Five Below are these makeup wipes. They're always off and they're really soft. I think you get 3 in here. It doesn't say, but I think they were like $3 for those. Like I said, Five Below. Then also from Five Below was this Jelly Belly popcorn jelly beans. She loves the popcorn kind, and I'm glad she does because anytime I buy a mixture, I always give the popcorn ones to her. But I just thought it was really cute that they had these in their own packaging and, made it look like a little popcorn container. This cute little donut trinket tray. This was $1 at Target. Then this is a gift card holder, which has a gift card to Starbucks inside. This is just a little zipper pouch. It's kind of small to be a makeup bag, but I'm sure she'll find a use for it. But it is, kind of like a, I don't know, pleather, like a plasticky leather kind of thing. It has a little handle to it too. She could almost use it as like a little purse. I don't know if that would fit. I think it would just fit her phone. She could use like a little wristlet, but it's cute. Then I got her these 2 donut pencils. They're the squishy donut pencils from Dollar Tree, and they're, little patterns on the pen. Oh, I'm sorry, they're not pencils, they're pens. So I got those from Dollar Tree. This was from Five Below. It was $5, and it's cute. It's for it's a foot care collection. Has the pumice and the nail polish, and I believe that's a lotion. And it's Strawberry Splash scented lotion. I picked this up for her Dollar Tree along that donut theme. And it's I don't know how big it is. I didn't, take it out, but I thought it was really cute. But it is like an inner tube kind of a thing for the pool in the shape of a donut. Got her an exfoliating foot mask. Like I said, she takes ballet, so her feet take a beating. And these cute little donut socks. These were from Target for $1. This little thing, oh, this was at the front checkout at Five Below, but I thought it was cute. You suction it to your phone, and then like you can watch, I guess, videos or something, but it's cute. I think that was just $1. Here we have a nail polish. It is the LA Colors Gel. She does like this color, just like her mom. And this, which is a donut flavored lip balm. It's kind of oversized. It reminds me of ones we used to have when we were kids. I forget what the brand was, but we used to have these oversized lip balms. But, it's cute because it's got the sprinkles on it. And then in here, it's an EOS Honey Apple, another lip balm. Here we have a little zipper pouch, also donut. And I'm trying to think where I got this. I think this was Dollar Tree. Yeah, so that was Dollar Tree. So obviously that was $1, but it's cute. This is an eyeliner. I think it says Ico London. This I got for her from my Fabfitfun. So it's supposed to be a really good eyeliner. And then this mug, which I thought was perfect. It says Hello Beautiful. And I think, what teenage girl doesn't need to hear, they're beautiful inside and out. So it's a pretty good size mug too. This sort of like a soft headband. It's a nice sort of like a chiffon fabric. And this was Five Below, but I can't remember how much it was. Well, it doesn't say. It was probably $3. A makeup pouch, or just, a zipper pouch. It's like a quilted pale pink with the gold zipper and the gold tassel, and it was $3 at the dollar spot at Target. This, which is a Donut Worry Be Happy, like a little notepad. It's not magnetic, but it's still super cute, and it's then that donut theme. I think this was Target dollar spot. This pillow, which was from Dollar Tree, and is just way too fun. Now I'm wishing I had gotten one for myself, because this is like addicting to play with. But anyway, so this cute little pillow. It's just decorative. It's not big, so she can just play with it. Then this little donut trinket, like a little trinket case. It was $1 at Dollar Tree. And I also got another one of those, the pink one with the pink frosting and sprinkles. Really, really cute. We got her a portable fast charger from Anchor. I have a couple of these. I get them from Amazon. I think they're around $25, $28, but boy, they will save you. We bought a couple of these when we were going to Disney, and they saved us because, your phone it's going to die. I use my phone as a camera as well, so walking around the parks all day. But anyway, I just always want my kids to have a reliable way of charging their phone when they're away from home, so they can always reach us. And this was in my Fabfitfun, and it is a kimono, and it's a really pretty pattern. It's like the black with the sort of like tan flowers on it. It's nice and neutral, very flowy, really nice fabric. If you want to see the this was in my summer box from Fabfitfun. If you were interested in seeing that unboxing, I will link it above, and I'll also put it in the description box below. And then the last thing is this, it's a letter board, and it was also in my Fabfitfun in the summer box, but it's really nice. It's really good quality. I don't know if I can show it to you. Yeah, so this has like a little burlap bag to keep all your letters, and then it comes with like a ton of letters and even like emojis and symbols and all kind of stuff. And then the board itself is really sturdy. It's real wood with like the black felt. So like I said, if you want to see it in more detail, you can just follow the link to the Fabfitfun Summer Unboxing, and you can see it. I show it in more detail in that video. So I think that is everything. Yeah, this is for Alexa's 17th birthday, which we will be celebrating with her this weekend. Alexa also participates with her brother Evan in something we call Two Teens Try It here on my channel. And if you're interested in seeing an episode of that, you will get to know Alexa a little bit in those videos. I will link that above, an episode above, and I will try to remember to link the playlist of those in the description box below. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and then hit that notification bell so you know the next time that I upload a video. I will be having a 500 subscriber giveaway coming up in the very near future. So if you don't want to miss that, definitely subscribe and ring that bell, and then you'll be sure you don't miss your chance to win what's probably going to be a gift card. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have an absolutely fabulous day. Bye-bye.